Odhi nyime komiti mar od bura ma Siaya marango weche mag pur ne obago romo mar kanyakla gi jogo matayo dongruok e bwo chenro mag Agricultural Sector Development Support Program. Romono ma en mar lalruok e wi yore mag Reso sekta mar pur. Jata chenro no Ken Wuoro olero ni komiti no nyiso dwaro mar jolo chenrogo mag dongruok e yore mag pur kendo gibiro konyo e manyo chiro ne mwandu mag jopur. Jakom komiti no Frederick Oluoch Omoro oyango ni od bura ma Siaya biro jiwore mar neno ni sekta mar pur oyudo pok mar omenda ma oromo.
Issues of the value chain. We have discussed issues that are affecting the value chain actors, and the mood of the committee is very positive to enhance productivity, to enhance incomes, and also to improve market access of our products. This is an annual meeting that makes sure that the assembly is brought to speed on what the program is doing, and also to embrace and use the forum to bring into perspective the activities of the program.
I promised that we'll fast track on the bill and bring it back to the floor of the assembly, so that when it is passed into a law, then I think Siaya County for the first time will they have the space to procure tractors, to at least have a budget for enough seeds and fertilizers, so that we can realize the real development and real productivity in terms of agriculture.